We live in a time of unprecedented access to information, to tools, and to people. This raging river of data has armed us with the ability to propel our society forward at a pace that is intriguingly challenging to keep up with. We live in a time when an individual can create and launch a business from his or her phone. We live in a time when million-dollar deals can be made over a text message, and partnerships are formed in a matter of seconds with someone on the other side of the world. It truly is an incredible time to be alive. However, that unfiltered rush of information and opportunity poses a challenge. How does one navigate the static and tune to their desired channel? How does one leverage these resources to build and live an extraordinary life? Each day, countless individuals fail to take their lives into their own hands. Their decisions feed a vicious cycle of financial strain, career stagnation, and a perpetually growing belief that one's failure to achieve success is somehow the fault of everyone except the person in the mirror. These unfavorable trends are more preventable than most care to recognize, but so few choose to put in the time and work needed to drastically change the outlook of their life and the lives of generations to come. I am writing this book for two very simple reasons. Number one, I want you to stop listening to the traditional guidance and social conventions that plague the minds of our society. Number two, I want to see you win. This is not a typical self-help book or financial planning book. This book is written with an autobiographical flair, providing insight to some often comical experiences I had at a young age, not only to leave you laughing, but also to emphasize that I'm not special and you too can achieve your desired level of success. You have already made a great decision by picking up this book. Read it. Take note of which aspects speak to you. Whether you are in high school or 20 years into your career, push yourself to put aside the traditional guidance you have received. Learn from my personal experiences and think about how you can apply them to change your position in life. The experiences, and more importantly the results I describe, are as real as the air you and I breathe. There is no reason why you cannot achieve every bit of professional and financial success that you desire. Follow me on this journey to leading in business, building wealth, and ignoring the haters.